Hey, all the future assistant professors, welcome back to English by Pooja Singh. Today, I'm here not to tell you what the syllabus is, how you should study, but there is a scam going on YouTube. Every then and now, every video, every 2 or 3 videos, I can see that clear your UGC net in 30 days examination. You can qualify, how you can qualify your examination in just 30 days or 40 days. And I cleared UGC net in just 15 days and I cleared JRF without studying. I cleared net in the very first attempt without knowing what net full form is. So ये बहुत सारा scam is going on, ठीक है? So today I'll be bilingual and I was feeling when this is very important thing that you need to understand. Okay, on YouTube there is a scam going on, ठीक है? क्लिक बेट होना चाहिए, आप ऐसा थंबनेल बनाओ, मेरा भी थंबनेल आपने देखा होगा, हाउ आई एम एक्सपोजिंग 30 days lie, and this is the biggest scam you will see. Means just understand the reality. Nobody is clear their examination in 15 days or without studying. And English literature is a subject that has the biggest syllabus ever. बहुत ज़्यादा, बहुत बड़ा syllabus है. Means I was just searching कि how many writers are there in the world. They said like 123 millions, more or less 123 millions in the world. Then I searched how many are there in the English literature. It said like more than a million. Now you understand that how on planet Earth you can cover everything in just 15 days. We don't know कि English literature में क्या question आने वाला है and क्या question नहीं आने वाला है. Right? They ask the translation जो कि हिंदी से इंग्लिश में हुआ है, कन्नड़ा से इंग्लिश में हुआ है. They can ask anything and everything जो examination में है. But here is the truth. This is the biggest lie that students are being sold कि आप 15 दिन में एग्जाम क्लियर कर सकते हो, आप बिना पढ़े एग्जाम, आप बिना पढ़े JRF क्लियर कर सकते हो. Is it possible? Do let me know in the comment section. Is it possible? What is the reality? The reality is that UGC net is not 1 month syllabus. ये 1 month का syllabus है नहीं. There is no shortcut exam. It is not luck based examination. Net is all about depth understanding. It is about consistency. It is about the mastering of 10 units in paper 1, mastering 800 to 900 topics, just merely topics in paper 2, around 5,000 plus writers, 500 plus text important. I'm just talking about the important ones. 100 plus critics plus theorists, 10 major units, 15 plus subfills, 15 to 20 years of PYQ. Can you do all these stuff in just 1 month and or in the 15 days? Just tell me, will you be able to do entire syllabus in 15 days or 1 month? I don't think so. When I am making videos on YouTube, it's been like 1 year now, and it took me 6 months just to complete the British literature criticism and theory on YouTube. Now you can make understand. Now if you ask me, can you do this in 15 days? No, it's not possible. It's not possible. And those who are telling these all things, they are just simply selling the lies. Who are they? The people, when they are saying that I have cleared net in just 30 days or 15 days or 1 month, they are not telling you the truth. Either they have already studied months before, they have already gone for the preparation like 1 year ago or 2 year ago. They must be having the background. आप ये समझिए उनका background बहुत strong है. 3 to 4 years उन्होंने English literature किया है. उनके MA में उन्हें 75 to 80% आया है. उन्होंने बहुत बार multiple attempts दिए हैं. They were not starting from zero. एंड इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू कॉपी देम कि नहीं, आप सोच रहे हो कि ये ईजी हो जाएगा और इससे बहुत इफ़ दे हैव क्लियर द एग्जामिनेशन वी कैन टू. नो, इट इज़ नॉट. आई एम नॉट डीमोटिवेटिंग हियर किसी को भी, बट यू शुड बी अवेयर कि रियलिटी क्या है. राइट? 15 डेज में 1 मंथ में कुछ नहीं हो सकता. यू जस्ट नो योर सेल्फ. क्या होता है ना कि जब वी थिंक अरे हाँ इन्होंने 1 मंथ में एग्जाम क्लियर कर लिया है तो हम भी एग्जाम क्लियर कर लेंगे. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस फैक्ट. बिकॉज हम ये सोच के प्रिपेयर करने लगते हैं कि अच्छा लास्ट 1 मंथ है, हम मोस्ट रिपीटेड PYQs देख लेंगे, PYQ सॉल्व कर लेंगे, बेसिक कर लेंगे. नहीं होता उससे. और जब रिजल्ट आता है तो यू फील डीमोटिवेटेड. आपको डीमोटिवेटेड नहीं फील करना है. यू कनेक्ट विद दैट पर्टिकुलर वीडियो एंड दैट इज़ वाई आई एम हियर. आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो दैट प्लीज़ डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम कि in 1 month or 15 days you are going to prepare it. If you are a beginner, if you are a working professional, if you are a student with a long gap, those who have taken a long break from their studies, you need at least 4 to 6 months. There is no fake shortcuts. No fake shortcuts. And that is why I was feeling so, from like past 3 to 4 days I was not feeling good. Like everybody is making that video like ये है, ये strategy, ये करो. नहीं होता है. नहीं होता. और जस्ट थिंक, इवन अगर वो इतना ही ईजी हो रहा होता, UGC नेट का एग्जाम इतना ही ईजी हो रहा होता, एवरीबडी वुड हैव बीन एन असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन सम और अदर कॉलेजेस. कॉलेजेस वेकेंट नहीं रहती. सभी ने JRF क्लियर कर लेना होता है? 15 डेज़ की ही तो बात है ना, 1 मंथ की ही तो बात है ना। चलो सब कुछ छोड़ देते हैं, घूमना छोड़ देते हैं, मोबाइल चलाना छोड़ देते हैं, खाना खाना छोड़ देते हैं, 15 दिन की ही तो बात है। एवरीबडी कुड हैव डन दैट, राइट? बट दैट इज़ नॉट द रियलिटी. So make yourself understand that this is not the real strategy, this is not the real way जो 15 दिन और 1 महीने में आपको बोला जाता है. Use your brain. You are grown up. You better know what is the right path, what is the wrong path. You should be knowing what you are going to take a step. नाउ यू वुड बी आस्किंग कि जब 1 महीने और 15 दिन में नहीं होता है तो एग्जाम कैसे क्लियर होता है? एग्जाम ऐसे क्लियर होता है व्हेन यू हैव योर बैकग्राउंड ऑफ BA इन इंग्लिश लिटरेचर, यू हैव योर बैकग्राउंड इन MA इन इंग्लिश लिटरेचर, you have scored a decent percentage and you know the understanding, you know the background, you know what British literature, how from when British literature started, what is difference between the criticism and literary theory, how critics are telling and how you have to use that, analyzing the summary, the text, the critics, the critical comments, the appreciation, the little definitions. You have to know everything: British literature, criticism, theory, cultural studies, Indian literature, English in India, and what not. So you have a overall understanding what characters means, what archetypal character means, what the definition of Thatcherism is, why it is being called. So these are the things that you have to do. You have to do at least 15 to 20 years of PYQs daily, and this is not possible in 15 days, right? So if you are preparing like this, because these are the major theme of that, and follow one teacher, follow one book, follow one plan, this is realistic. This is realistic. Go for anything. If you are focusing on just merely on the videos, you are not going to clear your UGC NET examination. And this is the truth. This is the truth. You should be aware of it. Now you would be saying why you are making this video. I am making this video because you should be knowing what truth is. I also would have made a video, clear your UGC NET examination just 10 days, clear JRF without studying, but no, I don't talk sugar-coated lies. I am here to tell you the truth, and you deserve the truth. That is the basic thing, okay? And if you talk about the strategy, I've already made a video on how to prepare UGC NET from 0 to JRF in 6-month strategies, and that is the most realistic video I have ever made, and I have got a lot of appreciation for that video. I'll put the link in the description if you want, if you follow. If your will says that, yeah, this is the thing that we can go for, 6 months is an ideal preparation time, and that's also when you are having the background of English literature, right? That is why, see, in this fake world, everybody says that yes, I have achieved this in the very first attempt, I have done this. No, but I know what struggle is, and that is why I will not give you any fake hopes. So make sure whatever you are preparing for, be it UGC NET English or be it UGC NET any examination, but the 30-day strategy, 15-day strategy, 10-day strategies are not going to work. It just takes 1 month just for revision, right? So 1 month में सिर्फ आपका रिविजन होता है, and if you are saying कि 1 month में आप एग्जाम क्लियर कर सकते हो तो बेस्ट ऑफ लक. And that's it for today, and I just wanted to clear these basic things. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share with your all friends, those who are thinking that they can clear their examination in just 15 days of studies, and subscribe for the reality checks, UGC NET videos. And till then, keep learning, keep shining. Bye bye.